Welcome AP Biology. This is Mr. MacKay talking at you again instead of to you. Today I'm going to do some combination dihybrid questions. So these would be a little bit tougher type questions where we're mixing different non-Mendelian rules with regular Mendelian rules. So this is found on page 9 of your booklet, genetics booklet questions. Again, I didn't assign these questions. These are just for practice. If you are able to do these questions on page 9 without getting the right answers, then you are absolutely fine and you know what you're doing. So before you proceed with this video, if you want to try page 9, I'm going to do questions 1 and 2 on this video. Maybe give them a shot first on a piece of loose leaf, see if you're doing them right, and then come watch the video and see if you got the right answers. Just about had an announcement here at school. So assume that hair can be straight, curly, or wavy is the first part of this question. Straight, curly, or wavy. We have 3 different phenotypes listed there, which means we know this must be a codominance or incomplete dominance question. So when we set up our legend, we can set it up this way. Big S for straight hair. Big C for curly hair. And then big S, big C for wavy hair. Okay, 3 different phenotypes for a codominant trait. We do not use lowercase letters. So, and 2 different letters, S's and C's in this case. Then the second half of the question says, however, for this example, it can only be 2 colors of hair, brown, which is dominant, or blonde. Now that's back to just normal Mendelian genetics. So capital B for brown, and a lowercase b for blonde. So we have a curly-haired blonde man. So curly-haired, we switch colors, curly-haired blonde man marries a straight-haired homozygous brown-haired woman. Straight-haired homozygous brown. So there's our legend, there's our cross. We now have to create the gametes. So big C, little b, only one potential gamete. So we segregate the hair straightness genes and we get a big C. We segregate the color and we get a little b. That's it. It's the only thing possible. For the other parent, this was the woman, big S, big B. That's the only possible gamete you can get. So this is a real easy Punnett square. S, C, big B, little b, or phenotypic ratio is 1 out of 1, 100%, however you want to phrase it, is going to be a wavy, brown-haired kid. That's it. All of their kids, based on this genetics, is going to be wavy, brown-haired. So let's go to the next one. A little bit tougher. A wavy-haired man with type O blood. So we're using the same legend we had from the last card. I'll just quickly put it there. And we have blood type now. Now, hopefully you remember your blood type legend. These are standards for type A, for type B, for type O, and then we have a codominance, incomplete dominance. Oops, sorry, that's supposed to be B, for type AB. So a wavy-haired man with type O blood marries a heterozygous type B with wavy hair as well. So I'll keep the wavy hair part first. She's heterozygous type B, which means she has to be IB little I. That makes her heterozygous. Create the gametes. We can have a S with a little I, and we can have a C with a little I. The only possible is from that first parent. But the other one gets a little bit more complicated. We can have an SIB or an S little I. We can have a CIB or a C little I. There's my gametes. Make my Punnett square real rough. And now I'll fertilize. This will take a minute. Lastly, of course, we have our phenotypic ratios tried out. So we have phenotypic ratio 1/8 is straight type B. we have 2/8. Don't reduce this down to a quarter, it's easier for your math. 2/8 are wavy, type B. 1/8 is straight, type O. 2/8 wavy, type O. 1/8 curly, type O. And lastly, 1/8, run out of room again, 1/8 is curly, type B. Now I can just confirm I got 1 plus 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've accounted for all 8 individuals. And there, that's a good, tough question. If you could do this one before watching the video and you got the right answer, then you're well on your way. I'm not going to do type 3 or question 3 right now, but if you want to give it a try and email me your answers and see if you got it right, I'll respond with, yes, you got it right, or no, you didn't get it right, just for practice. And that's it for now. Have a good weekend. Hopefully everything's going well at your house. Talk to you later. Bye.